This is the ASL 1, Unit 4, Part 2 vocabulary. Adult can also mean tall, but also adult. Can also mean older if you're talking about a sibling. Born. Annoy or bother. This is a directional verb, so you could sign, my brother bothers me or annoys me. Annoyed. You're sick of something. Argue. Arrogant. Conceited. Someone has a big head. Best friend. Boring. I've also seen this for bored, and I've seen this sign described as boring. This means dry as well. Boyfriend. Break up. I've also seen break up. I tend to use this one. But, the conjunction but. College. Cute or cute. Date. Fall in love. Flirt. Friendly. From, and you use this as in I'm from Texas. Funny. Get. You use this to say that you got something, an item. Get along. Get together. Girlfriend. Go out, as in go out to eat, go out to a restaurant. Can also mean to leave. Go to, if you're talking about a group of people, go to plural. Good friend. Graduate. High school. Interesting. Laugh. Lazy. License. Love, and you have to be careful with this sign because this is to love a person or maybe a pet, but to say that you love soccer, for example, you would use you love that activity, or chocolate you love, versus a family member. Mean, as in to be a mean person. Mischievous. Motivated. Negative, as in a negative personality trait. Oops. Let's say that you're finger spelling and you make a mistake, you can sign oops. Outgoing. Passed down, can also be generations or descendants. Positive. Pretty. Beautiful. Relationship. Short can also mean younger, if you're talking about a sibling. Should. Shy. Since or for, you use this to say, for example, I've been married since the year 2002, or for 11 years. Single. Something slips your mind. Forgot about something. Smart. Smile. Stupid. Sweet. Sweetheart. And then some pronouns that use numbers. The four of them, or the four of you. Those three. Those two, the two of them, the two of you. Together. Ugly. And then similar to the signs I just signed, the four of us, it's a little bit closer to you, the three of us, the two of us. Verbal fight, to have a fight that's an argument, a verbal disagreement. Vote. Wave no, the way this is glossed is wave no, and it's just a more casual sign. Let's say someone offered you some help, perhaps. You don't need any help. To work hard. Okay, you repeat the sign work, sometimes even with a circle, but most of it is a facial expression, to work hard. And then, similar to what we talked about earlier, the four of you, 3 of you, the 2 of you, and of course you just use your space correctly to show the difference between the 2 of them versus the 2 of you or the 2 of us. And then some phrases that you need to know: deaf world, when we're talking about the deaf culture, the deaf community, and its habits and tendencies and values. To dive in, to be immersed in something. The best way to learn a language is to be completely immersed, to dive into that culture, that language. And then we have the sign in ASL, just like we have that word in English. And that's your Unit 4, Part 2 vocabulary.